In this video, we break down how to trade pure volatility using the long straddle strategy. A long straddle is a directionally neutral strategy designed to capitalize on explosive market moves, regardless of whether the price goes up or down. To construct this, you simultaneously purchase an at-the-money call and an at-the-money put on the same underlying asset with the same expiration date. By doing this, you start with a delta-neutral position, purely betting on the magnitude of the move rather than the direction. Why would a trader pay double the premium? You utilize this strategy when you anticipate a significant catalyst, such as an earnings report or a Fed announcement, but the outcome is uncertain. If the stock rallies hard, the call appreciates faster than the put loses value. If it crashes, the put profits offset the call's loss. However, because you bought two contracts, the stock must move significantly just to cover the cost of entry. Calculating your success zones is straightforward but vital. Because this is a debit strategy, your profitability relies on the stock pushing past your break-even points. Specifically, you take the strike price and add the total premium paid to find your upper break-even, and subtract that same premium to find your lower break-even. The risk profile of a straddle is defined by a V-shaped payoff diagram. Your maximum risk is limited to the total premium paid, which occurs only if the stock price remains exactly at the strike price at expiration. Conversely, your profit potential is theoretically unlimited on the upside and substantial on the downside, limited only by the stock falling to zero. The greatest threat to this strategy is theta, or time decay. As discussed in Phase 3, long options bleed value as they approach expiration, and with a straddle, you are suffering decay on two contracts simultaneously. Therefore, this strategy requires strict management. Avoid holding through periods of low volatility, IV crush, and look to exit as soon as the expected move occurs. Thanks for watching, and join us next time for the long strangle.